it does seem like there is a bridge that's being built between the practice and business of law. I mean, it's not just unique to AI as a technology; it's technologies and processes that are driving this, right? How do you bridge the gap between the business and practice of law? Both of you referenced the creation of roles in order to take this structured data and influence the firm or the practitioners themselves, the fee earners, in different ways. And every firm approaches this a little bit differently, whether it's creating new roles, the title of those roles, what the responsibilities of those roles are. Have you seen, I guess the question is, have you seen greater collaboration happening between the practice groups and innovation or knowledge management and others, because now you have clearer visibility of the data, of your client data, organized in a central place that you can now make more action or take greater action with? Sarah, I'll come to you first.
Sure. I think that this, in some circumstances, and in some instances, yes. I think that there's 3 groups typically in law firms. That is one group that is at the forefront of innovation. And those are your trusted advisors that you can, from an attorney perspective, that you can try new things out on, and they're willing to jump into innovation. Then there's the middle group that you can convince to come up to your top group. And then there's the group of attorneys that, they've had a super successful practice for a long time and they're not really interested, right? And so we collaborate a ton and drive new solutions a ton with that top group and the middle group. We actually just had Innovation Day last month. We had an entire day dedicated to innovation, and all of the attorneys got up to talk to their innovations that they did with us. Us being the team of innovation professionals on the staff side, sorry. And what we see is that we need the attorneys to be standing up and telling their stories. And once we have the attorneys standing up and telling their stories, or telling their peers, or their peers saying, hey, I just got this terribly large contract review, I don't know what to do. And they say, call Sarah or call so-and-so, and so we have to, our success has been very large in corporate, but we're starting to see successes in other areas. And I think that that's really by word of mouth.